Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice algebra problem. So we have x plus y equals to 7 and xy equals to 49. So we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So here first we denote this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So now first we focus on equation number 1, and our equation number 1 is implies that x plus y equals to 7. So here we move this x to the right hand side, so you get the value of y equals to 7 minus x, and we call this is our equation number 3. So further we need to substitute this value of y in equation number 2. So equation number 2 is implies that xy equals to 49. So the value of y is 7 minus x is equals to 49. Okay, so further you see here we multiply this x on both of these terms and it will be written as 7x minus x square equals to 49. And now we move these two values to the right hand side and it will be written as x square minus 7x plus 49 is equals to 0. Okay, so further you see here this equation will becomes quadratic in x variable, so that here we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 7, and c equals to 49. Okay, so further we first stated as the quadratic formula. It is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the our nice quadratic formula, and now we substitute the values of a, b and c here, and it will be written as minus b. The value of b is minus 7 plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 7 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 49, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and our a is also 1. Okay, so now you see here we have this is minus times of minus becomes plus 7 plus minus square root of minus 7 square equals 49, and 4 times of 49 is equals to 196, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. Okay, so further in the next step here we need to subtract these two values, and it will be written as 7 plus minus 49 minus 196 is equals to square root of minus 147 divided by 2. Okay, so after that here you very well know about if you have the negative sign appears inside the square root, so it will becomes iota. So we write it as 7 plus minus square root of 147 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So here we have the two values of x are x1 is equals to 7 plus square root of 147 iota divided by 2. The second root are x2 equals to 7 minus 147 iota, and it is divided by 2. Okay, so these are the two values of x, and now we find the corresponding values of y. So now here we copy down our equation number 3. So equation number 3 is implies that y equals to 7 minus x, and here we choose one value of x. It is x1 equals to 7 plus square root of 147 iota divided by 2. So now first we substitute this value of x in the above equation. So our above equation will becomes y1 is equals to 7 minus x is equals to 7 plus square root of 147 iota, and it is divided by 2. So here, in order to find the value of y1, we need to simplify the terms. So here we take the LCM of these terms, and its LCM is 2, and we get here 2 times of 7 is 14, and we multiply this negative sign on both of these terms, and it will be written as minus 7 minus square root of 147 iota. So here you subtract the like terms. You have 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 is equals to 7 minus square root of 147 iota, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of y1 corresponding to the value of x1 is this one. Okay. So this is our first solution of the given equation, and now we find the second solution. So we find the value of y1 y2 corresponding to the value of x2 is equals to 7 minus square root of 147 iota, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of x2, and now we substitute this value of x2 in equation number 3. So again, our equation number 3 implies that y2 equals to 7 minus x2. So here we substitute this value of x2 here, and it will be written as y2 is equals to 7 minus x2 is 7 minus 147 iota, and it is divided by 2. So now here again we need to take the LCM of this term. So its LCM are 2, and we write it as 2 sevens are 14. Then now again we multiply this negative sign on both of these terms, and it will be written as minus 7 plus square root of 147 into iota. So here when we subtract 14 minus 7, then you again obtain 7 plus square root of 147 iota, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of y2. Okay, so this is the value of y2 corresponding to the value of x2 is this. Okay, so finally we have the two roots of the given equation are, the first root is x1 y1 is equals to the value of x1 is 7 plus square root of 147 iota divided by 2, and corresponding value of y1 is 7 minus square root of 147 iota, and it is divided by 2. And its second root are x2 and y2 equals to x2 is 7 minus 147 iota divided by 2, and corresponding value of y2 is 7 plus 147 iota divided by 2. So we have these two roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. So you can easily check these two roots. These two roots are clearly satisfied the given equations. Okay, so I can left this step for up to you. You can do yourself by checking these two roots. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.